Ever bought a blush that looked amazing in the store, but it just looked off once you got home? Trust me, you're not bad at makeup. You just didn't know how to pick the right blush for your skin tone. Blush is that secret weapon that can make your face look fresh, healthy, and awake. But it's also one of the easiest steps to mess up. One swipe can look flawless, and another can leave you looking like you ran a marathon. So, how do you actually pick the right blush shade for your skin tone? It all starts with knowing your skin tone: fair, medium, or dark. If you're fair, go for soft pinks and gentle peaches. Medium skin tones? You're lucky. Peach, warm pinks, corals, and berries are all your friends. Dark skin? Reach for bold berries, plums, or a deep coral to really pop. But here's the step most people skip: your undertone. If your skin has golden or peachy hints, you're probably warm-toned, so look for peach or coral blushes. Cool undertones? Think pinks, berries, or mauves. If you can rock both gold and silver jewelry, you're neutral, and you can pretty much wear anything. Still not sure? Match your blush to the color your cheeks naturally turn when you're flushed. That's the sweet spot. For beginners, powder blush is easier to control, but cream blush melts into your skin for a natural look, especially if you have dry skin. My favorite trick? Start with a little. Blend upwards from the apples of your cheeks, and always check your makeup in natural light. Remember, makeup isn't about rules or perfection. It's about what makes you feel good. The right blush will always make you look healthy, happy, and totally you. So go ahead, pick your shade and glow.